Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today as we explore another fantastic word to boost your English vocabulary. Today's word is annoy. It's a B1 level verb, which means it's perfect for intermediate learners looking to expand their skills. Annoy means to make someone slightly angry or irritated. It's not about being extremely upset, just that little feeling of frustration or irritation we all experience sometimes. Let's look at some synonyms of annoy. Words like irritate, bother, and provoke carry a similar meaning. For example, you might say, "The constant noise from the construction site really irritates me," or "My younger brother loves to bother me when I'm trying to study." Another example could be, "His rude comments seem to provoke a reaction from everyone at the meeting." On the other hand, we have some antonyms that show contrasting meanings. Words like please, delight, and satisfy are opposites of annoy. For example, you might say, "Her thoughtful gift really pleased me," or "The beautiful sunset delighted everyone at the beach." Now, how can you use annoy in everyday life? Imagine you're at a cafe and someone keeps tapping their pen on the table. You might whisper to your friend, "That tapping sound is starting to annoy me." Or perhaps you're stuck in traffic and you think, "It's so annoying how people cut in line without signaling." You can also hear it in common phrases like, "Don't annoy your teacher," by asking the same question over and over. Here are a few more sentence examples to solidify your understanding. "I don't mean to annoy you, but could you explain that again?" Her habit of interrupting every conversation can really annoy her friends. It's annoying when the internet connection is so slow during an important meeting. That's all for today's word, annoy. To recap, it's a verb that means to make someone slightly angry or irritated. We explored some synonyms like irritate, bother, and provoke, as well as antonyms like please, delight, and satisfy. Try using annoy in your own sentence and share it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you come up with. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the podcast. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.